Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the cover and unplugging the bed. This protects electronics and reveals seams. Next, inflate to your usual number and watch the pressure indicator while you do a focused visual sweep. Valves, seams, handles, and zipper lines. Use your ear and a moving light to spot any stray reflections or hissing. Once done, mark suspect areas with a small piece of tape so you can isolate and test each spot in the next step. Now you isolate sections, close off all other chambers and leave one inflated. Apply a thin coat of soapy water or a commercial leak detector across seams, the valve stem, and any fittings. Watch closely for consistent bubble trails. A rapid stream means a puncture. Tiny bubbles indicate a slow seam leak. While you watch, flex the material and press seams. Movement often opens hairline cracks. Make a precise mark right at the center of the bubble cluster to prepare for repair. Once you've marked the spot, clean and dry it thoroughly. Remove oils and lint so adhesive bonds. Lightly roughen the surface, apply a compatible patch or liquid sealant, and press without trapping air. Allow recommended cure time, then re-inflate to your normal setting and examine the repair with soapy water for any residual bubbles. Finally, monitor pressure for 24 to 48 hours to confirm the fix. If you still see loss, repeat isolation tests or consult Sleep Number Service for valve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.